Unit 10 Living Together. Complete the sentence. We should behave well with everyone. We should things with need people. With WITH is spelling mistake. हाँ जी, with need people. It is our duty to be kind our parents. We should help our family. यहाँ सिर्फ our family लिख दें, ये दोबारा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If we help others, जी इसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं. If we help others, perhaps they will help us one day. अच्छा जी, इसी की fill in the blanks है. We live with our family and relatives. अच्छा, caring for one another has many benefits. Our parents look after our needs. Number 4, we must not be rude to other people. We should help everyone when they need us.